Microsoft adds Copilot AI to OneDrive. Microsoft just dropped one of the biggest OneDrive updates in years, and it's packing more AI magic than a sci-fi movie marathon. After flooding Office apps with Copilot tools, and even sprinkling in Anthropic's Claude chatbot, the company is now bringing the same AI superpowers to your cloud storage. Front and center is Copilot for OneDrive, a floating AI sidekick that lets you talk to your files like they're co-workers. You can ask it to summarize a dense report, recap a meeting buried in a PDF, extract data from an image, or answer questions about a PowerPoint, all using plain English commands like, "What are the main action items in this deck?" or "Show me what changed since the last version." It can even turn meeting notes into audio summaries, basically Microsoft's answer to Google's Notebook LM podcast summaries. There's also a refreshed File Explorer section that neatly gathers everything shared with you. No more hunting through 17 email chains to find that one spreadsheet. Like Google Drive, you can assign access levels, viewer editor, and so on. But Microsoft adds a clever twist. Recipients also get a brief AI-generated summary of what's inside before they even open it. Oh, and if you need to hand off a mountain of files, the new bulk transfer feature lets you move entire file sets from one owner to another in one go. To top it all off, Copilot's AI search now lets you find photos and videos by describing them, while a Photo Stacks feature on mobile can combine multiple shots to create a clearer image. OneDrive just graduated from a boring storage locker to a full-blown AI-powered assistant, one that not only remembers your files, but might actually understand them better than you do.